Another video brought to you by Oriental Rug Care. We were requested today to come over to this customer's house on the beach. And they said they love to cook and they like the rug. So they need us to custom cut it because the customer cooks a lot and they want to keep their grout lines clean. So they want a rug here. So they've asked us to custom cut it so that this rug here will fit in place right over here, there, and it's too long for this part over here underneath the cabinet. So our goal and their goal is for us to custom cut it so it slides in there, and this way they can keep cooking and not worry about the mess going on the floor. There we are. So we'll show you the after. Customer's house, and we have custom cut the rug, as you can see here. You can see underneath there it's no longer curled up on that end. So let's see if we accomplish the mission. Push it in, push it in here. Look at that detail there. Now the customer can cook and not worry about the grout lines. So, if you love to cook and you want to get a rug that will fit right underneath there, give us a call. Oriental Rug Care.